is an airborne infection which spreads by when a patient coughs, the droplet of the infected material stays in the atmosphere and someone ingests it, he may get the disease. So it's a very old disease. It's been there for many ages, and Dr. Robert Koch only found out in 1882 that it is caused by a bacteria that's called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. 1940s drugs came, and now then in the 70s new drugs came that revolutionized the treatment of TB. Now even after there are 4 drugs mainstay: INH, rifampicin, pyrazinamide and ethambutol, which are all oral. They are in tablets form, and 1 injection, that's streptomycin. But the problem is minimum period of treatment is 6 months. If the patient is not taking the proper treatment, then he may again get the disease. Usually when the symptoms get relieved, they are better, they stop the drugs. Sometimes the storage, sometimes in the program drugs are not available, sometimes in some places. See, whenever a chronic disease, if you give only one drug or inadequate drug, what will happen? First, the susceptible organism will die. That's called fall. After some time, that bug wants to live, it wants to be smarter. So what happens? It mutates. Genetic mutation occurs, and there is rise of the new organisms. That's called rise, fall and rise phenomenon. That can lead on to a dreadful complication called drug-resistant tuberculosis. The bug can get resistant, and the usual drugs will not act. So the patient gets a drug-resistant TB. That's called multi-drug resistant TB, MDR-TB. So when the MDR-TB comes, patient will not improve with their conventional drugs, and you have to go for a second line drugs. Now government has given DOTS plus, where they have to take 2 years of treatment and get cured. XDR TB is a new thing which is emerging, where XDR means extensively drug resistant, where the patient is resistant to INH, rifampicin, as well as to the second line injectables, and also one group of second line drugs. So we have to be very careful. Now coming to the drugs. Rendu drug is the mainstay. Resistant MDR-TB. See, so many years, almost 50s, 40s, now 70 years, there are no new drugs. After 1970, there are no new drugs apart from the 5 drugs I told you. அவங்களுக்கு வந்து 7 drugs கொடுக்கணும் for 1 year. அதனால very costly drugs, very toxic. நீங்க டாலரேட் பண்ண முடியாது, ஒரு வாரம் சாப்பிட முடியாது. அது வந்து அவங்க 2 வருஷம் சாப்பிடணும். It's high time that research is done and we get a wonderful new drug for TB, which is very cost effective with least side effects, and also if the drug or drugs can bring down the duration of treatment from 6 months to say 3 months, that is the wonderful thing which will be happening in the treatment of TB field. And I think scientists take up this as a challenge and come out with a new TB drug. Because of HIV, now the TB has come back with a vengeance, because they get more number of TB patients due to the immunosuppression in HIV. So if new drugs are emerging, that will be a wonderful thing for even patients as well as doctors like us who are treating the TB patients.